I translate in Kasi, kajing duk kamdei namar, kajing bamla ban penbiang, ya kibaduk. Henry kadei namar kajing bamla ban penhun, ya kibaruspa. May I get sir? As we know the fact that we have heard that the government have planned to estimate multi-dimensional poverty by empower women to become lakpatis, didis, which I will quote our Honorable Chief Minister had mentioned this, which means a woman should earn minimum of rupees 1 lakh annually. Just a matter of 10,000. Do you think that they will come lakpatis? I don't believe. So, as what I'm reminding myself, that poverty is not that we cannot provide the poor, but it is because we cannot satisfy the rich. May I translate in Kasi? Kajing duk kamdei namar, kajing bamla ban penbiang, ya kibaduk. Henry kadei namar kajing bamla ban penhun, ya kibaruspa. May I get clarification, sir?
Sir, since this is a question that is beyond the urban area, sir, we have basically the Lakpati Didi program again is a program that has been promoted by the Honorable Prime Minister. And if you look at the rural areas where we have been really working very hard, we have been able to create thousands and thousands of Lakpati Didis in the last 6 years. So it is actually happening. So it's not just for the sake of saying. I will give the exact numbers, sir. I don't have it right now with me, but I will share it maybe whenever I get an opportunity.